After each time someone uses the bathroom, it goes through a wash cycle. Unlike Paris, Lyon has public bathrooms everywhere. These are automatic bathrooms, and the way they open is there's a button on the side. You simply just press the button, the toilet opens, and then you roll in. These bathrooms are everywhere through Europe, but it's really important that you observe the lights on the side. The green light means that the toilet is vacant. The orange light means that the bathroom is occupied. The blue light actually means the toilet's in a wash cycle. It's very important to make sure that you don't go straight in the bathroom as soon as someone finishes. After each time someone uses the bathroom, it actually closes and goes through a wash cycle. There is nothing worse than being stuck in one of these toilets during a wash cycle. This may have happened to me once in Paris. These bathrooms are generally very accessible, easy to use with automatic doors. Most of them are pretty clean and tidy. If you're traveling through Europe and you're looking for somewhere to go for the bathroom, just look for one of these metal things and roll on in. Just next to the cathedral, there's actually some public bathrooms. Come through and let's see how accessible they are. Ah, bonjour. Oh, there's a change table in there, which means you can't. For a baby. Wow. Definitely one of the smallest wheelchair accessible bathrooms I've seen in all of France. And it actually doesn't have a toilet seat. See ya. The wheelchair accessible bathroom would not fit a large power wheelchair or scooter, but I just fit it in. But one thing I have to say is the bathroom is very clean and tidy. There's someone that works here full time cleaning it to make sure it's always spotless. So good on Lyon for that.